There's been a lot of questions. Miss Gina, what is the right direction to retwist my locks? A lot of people seem to think that they want to retwist their locks to one side, in one direction. Guys, I'm going to have to show you something different for 2024. Today, I have a very special guest, guys. My daughter, Isis, has joined me today on my YouTube channel. And, you know, it's a very special thing for a mom to be able to retwist her daughter's locks. So, you know, I am so excited about this. We are actually going to show you today how to do the correct and proper retwist. Because I get asked so many questions, Miss Gina, how do you retwist? What way should I be retwisting? When should I retwist? How do I do a correct retwist? So today, we're gonna show you just how to do that. And I'm so happy to be joined by my daughter today. And Isis is gonna lend her beautiful long locks, yes, who have only ever had House of Isis products. And we've shampooed prior to this. We have used our House of Isis lock shampoo, which is so amazing, guys. It's loaded with benefits and it is part of our lock care kit. It moisturizes your locks. It actually can remove buildup if you have buildup from old products in your hair or you just don't shampoo your hair often enough. If your scalp is flaking, seborrheic dermatitis, any eczema on your scalp, it can address each and every one of these issues, bringing you relief and beautiful locks, as you can see.
And let me just tell y'all, I shampooed my locks with the lock shampoo, which I always do, but it just feels so good on your scalp. And so I'm excited to let my mom get in my hair because it's been a minute. So let's get into it.
Awesome. Just in case if you're wondering, like, so if it's got benefits, like what's in it? Well, you know, our shampoo is so vitally important because of what it does not contain. Let me just make that a thing, okay? Because you don't need a detergent to clean your hair. It's only gonna inflame your scalp. We do not include detergents in the recipe of our lock shampoo. It is fortified with things like cold pressed olive oil, plant-based castor shampoo. It has a myriad of essential oils, frankincense, chamomile to soothe and calm your scalp. And so, look, I can talk about this shampoo forever. It just smells so good. And like my daughter said, it also makes your scalp feel amazing.
And my hair feels so soft. So this is the first thing I did off camera. So now we're gonna show you guys step 2, which is conditioning and oiling my locks. So let's get into it.
So we have just finished our shampoo off camera, of course, like my daughter said earlier. And so I just want to show you that we are about to do the retwist on the new growth. And as you can see, there is plenty of retwisting to do here. Yeah. To moisturize the locks and to prep them for the retwist, we're going to apply House of Isis leave-in conditioner, guys. It's a special leave-in conditioner for locks by House of Isis. It is available, of course, in our kit and also sold separately at our online store. So here it is, guys. It smells amazing. Whipped shea butter straight from the motherland. And what we'll do first is administer it from the roots to the tips. And there's no buildup involved, guys. Okay, that's how you want to put it in. You want to go from the root straight through to the ends, guys. You want to protect all of your locks. And know this is no buildup at all, okay? So as I massage this into the locks are receiving the moisture from this, and it's gonna melt right into the hair. Continue to massage this wonderful conditioning in. Shea butter, like I said, straight from the motherland, and cold pressed olive and castor oil. And this is very, very important, guys, for the emulsification of your locks, to keep them moist, to keep them healthy and strong from root to tip. I mean, honestly, this is all my daughter's ever used in her locks since she's had them. And her locks do not have buildup. Let me just massage this in thoroughly. And you could notice that my hand is just clean now. There is no creamy white stuff stuck onto my fingers or stuck onto her lock. Again, emulsify, and apply from root to tip. So I'll keep massaging it in until it completely disappears from the root to the tip. And you saw that I used a lot of conditioner and the hair received it, the locks drank it in. Now all you see is the shiny, moisturized lock. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and use our lock grooming oil. This oil not only smells amazing, guys, but it has great benefits for your hair. The castor and olive oil blend helps to keep your locks healthy and strong, guys, full of shine, full of moisture. And of course, the frankincense and the chamomile keeps your locks very soft, very light. So we're gonna go ahead and apply this at the root, right directly onto the scalp. So we're gonna open the locks up a bit, get it down in there, and then we're gonna slide it to the tips. Let's let you see all this length. So this is the way that we actually apply that House of Ice's locked oil. Let's get into that scalp area. Just a few squirts is all you need to create a luxurious shine for your locks and to keep them growing healthy and strong like my daughter's. It also can absolutely protect your hair color. So if you're looking for healthy locks, the locked oil at House of Ice's is absolutely what you will need. Since we shampooed my daughter's hair off camera, we're now gonna add a little bit of our scalp mist, guys. Fortified with peppermint, lavender, and very much alkaline water. And honestly, we're just gonna hydrate it a bit since we did wash it, a little while back. So today, but it was off camera. So you wanna keep your locks hydrated, especially during the retwist process. It's very important. You never want to retwist your locks when they're dry. This definitely can lead to breaking, and that would absolutely make your roots very thin, and that's not what you want, guys. So hydration, if you feel like your locks are starting to dry as you're retwisting, reach for House of Ice's scalp mist, guys. It's the best mist to help to assist with grooming your locks. She's just got a lot of hair, guys. I couldn't get it all in one go, so I actually ran to the other side to get to the other side. So I love them. Okay, so next is gonna be this stuff is so amazing, guys. It's a lock grooming pomade from House of Ice's. There is no gel in this. Because I got a lot of Machina, I don't like using gel on my locks. You don't have to. Gel contains things that can really irritate your scalp. And so you don't want to take any chances with that. This is a product, it contains natural raw shea butter straight from the motherland. It is whipped, guys. It is whipped to perfection. And yes, it can hold that retwist. Honestly, it's a pomade made from raw shea butter. But there's an added twist. There's some vegetable glycerin in this, which is gonna help to give your retwist that hold, that shine that you're looking for. And it's not gonna cake or flake. There's no buildup when you use the locked grooming pomade from House of Ice's, guys. All you get is your locks moisturized, you get them shiny, you get the hold you're looking for, and they're gonna smell absolutely amazing. I'm gonna show you just how it's done. All right, so let's apply our gel-free lock pomade. It's very important for you to understand this does not contain any gel, no propylene glycol, because that is the thing that is in gel that really irritates your scalp. So you're just gonna get the added benefits of your locks being moisturized and hydrated, and like I said, that hold that you're looking for. So this video really is about the proper way to retwist, and also using the right products to retwist your locks so that you don't get buildup. There's been a lot of questions. Miss Gina, what is the right direction to retwist my locks? A lot of people seem to think that they want to retwist their locks to one side, in one direction. Guys, I'm gonna have to show you something different for 2024. Because when you decide to go ahead and try to style those locks that have been retwisted to one side, woo, Lord, Now you got one side flat and one side kicked out. You gotta fix that together. So Miss Gina's gonna actually show you the correct way to retwist, okay? And if you notice, I'm actually twisting in towards the middle of the nape of my daughter's neck, okay? So when I get halfway here, what I'm gonna do is something really different. I'm not gonna continue to twist in this direction. Okay, we're gonna flip this, and you're gonna have to watch the hands because you know what they say, the hands are quicker than the eyes. So let's show you the correct way to retwist for 2024 so you get the results that you're looking for when you do a retwist. What makes this different? Guys, take a look. We're actually gonna help this one to face, okay? So the left side is now coming towards your right. And we're gonna place the clip. That's the difference. You're no longer gonna bring this all to one side, guys, because that actually creates a disparity within the way your locks even grow. You're gonna end up with a thin side and a really weighty side to your locks, and that's not what you want, okay? Now remember, guys, you can use your occipital bone, you can use your neck bone that's in the middle of everyone's neck. Use that as the measuring vein for where you want your two kissers to meet up to, okay? That way you never get confused about where the middle of the back of your head could be, okay? You have a natural marker, you gotta be using it. So remember, right is going in towards the left. This really helps to create a natural direction or natural pattern for your locks to grow in. This always helps to eliminate curls growing away from the parts. So many people seem to have problems with that. And I tell them, well, listen, what direction are you retwisting your locks in? Because that has everything to do with it. Coming from the right, we're going towards the left. Yes, we are not retwisting all to one side. Very important. Why? Because you don't want to have unevenly growing locks. You want to be able to style them. You don't want the curls to grow away from the part of the lock that you have. And it's just so much more natural of a way that your hair actually grows in. So you actually want to mimic that when you're retwisting. Use scalp mist to rehydrate the edges for added moisture. And yes, notice the direction that I'm retwisting the edges. The edges will be retwisted away from the face. Not too much tension. You don't want to make the edges too tight. This will give the edges a clean, smooth finish. As we begin to work on the crown section of the head, you want to still make sure you're twisting in towards the middle. It's going to absolutely enable you to style your locks like in a real easy way. Like as you get towards the front of the hairline, remember not too much tension, smooth with your fingertips. And again, you're twisting away from the face in towards the middle. This will enable you to be able to style your locks any way you want and to have a clean, smooth finish at the edge. So now that you've seen how to correctly do a retwist, and my beautiful model, my daughter Isis, I am now going to place her under the dryer for about 30 minutes because you never want to leave your locks too wet. They can mold, they can have a smell. So we definitely always want to especially dry the roots of the locks. Very important. So let's do that now. See you when we get back. We placed my daughter under the dryer for 30 minutes. And these are the results. I just want to show you the parts, guys, and the whole, because I know you're interested to see what's up with that. So let's take a peek.
Look at that curl, guys, and the shine. I just need you to see this clean, healthy scalp and locks with no buildup. Look, all of that product has completely penetrated the locks, leaving nothing but shine and a clean, healthy scalp. Because we retwisted the correct way, look at the symmetry of the parts, the clean finish of the edge, and how light and shiny these locks are. And that's it, guys. If this video was helpful for you, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you next time.